Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today on Solvetic, we will see how to Facebook birthday notifications turn off 2025. Open Facebook, click on your profile, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now open Settings. In the side panel, go to the Notifications section. After this, display the birthday option. There, you can disable all notifications by turning off the switch, Allow notifications on Facebook. If you want, you can activate it and disable the switches for how you can receive the notification. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.